The first spy photographs of the next-generation BMW 3 Series sedan have surfaced online, sparking discussions about what is in store for this iconic lineup. Known as one of the Bavarian automaker's most successful series, the 3 Series traces its origins to 1975 with the debut of the E21. Currently, the 7th generation model, introduced in the fall of 2018, remains on the production line. Following a mid-cycle update in 2022, BMW is now turning its attention to an all-new generation, with the first camouflaged prototypes recently spotted on the road. BMW is planning to launch the upcoming 3 Series in 2 versions, one with a traditional internal combustion engine and another fully electric model. Interestingly, the electric version will feature a unique body design inspired by BMW's Neue Klasse concept, emphasizing futuristic proportions and innovative styling. The internal combustion engine version of the sedan maintains its classic silhouette, characterized by a long hood, short front overhang, and an extended wheelbase. While the test model remains heavily camouflaged, hints of a redesigned front end are already visible. The front grille may echo the vertical orientation seen in the Neue Klasse concept, while the vehicle's sides are expected to feature simpler lines reminiscent of the latest 5 Series. Noteworthy details include retractable door handles and a revised rear design with a lower license plate niche and slim horizontal taillights. This updated rear layout brings to mind the pre-updated 2 Series Grand Coupe, but with a modern twist. The prototype in question boasts 4 round exhaust pipes, suggesting it could be one of the high-performance variants. For its underpinnings, the traditional 3 Series is likely to continue using the Claire platform shared with the upcoming BMW X3 crossover. Powertrain options could include a range of 2-liter 4-cylinder and 3-liter 6-cylinder engines. As for the fully electric version, it will ride on the Neue Klasse architecture, aligning with BMW's push toward electrification. Anticipation is building for an official unveiling, which is expected closer to 2026. This next chapter in the 3 Series story promises to blend BMW's storied heritage with its forward-looking vision for automotive innovation.